I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios here at AWS reInvent 2024, chatting with our friends at F5. I'm joined now by Gary Newe, the RVP of Solutions Engineering at F5. First of all, welcome and thank you for making the time. All the way, we're both from Seattle and here we are in Las Vegas. How's the show been for you so far?
Oh, it's been really great. It's been really great. Just the amount of people here, the quality of the conversations, it's an amazing show.
It is a great place to network. So 70,000 people here and we're glad that you've made the time. We've heard F5 talk a lot about a ball of fire. Now, what exactly is that? That feels like a drink I shouldn't have had last night. And how is F5 helping your customers deal with that?
Yeah, so when you think about the complexity that enterprises face today, when you think about how applications have changed from single server applications to multi-cluster, multi-service, microservice applications, that increases where the applications are. They run on many, many clouds, run in many different environments. And it also, then you add the complexity of APIs on it. Basically, it's just a representation of the enormous challenges that our customers have to face at the moment.
How is F5 helping those customers deal with that?
Yeah, so what we've heard from customers very clearly is that this complexity is too much. And when they have to run their applications in AWS and on-prem and in other clouds and in other areas, that they lack consistency. So what we're doing with our customers, working with our customers, is to try and drive this security consistency and application delivery consistency across all of these different environments to make it easier for them to manage it, to see what's happening, and basically scale out and grow their applications.
Now, clearly a big topic of the show and a big topic on everyone's mind is how to maximize AI. Where does AI fit into the discussion at F5, and how does this intersect with cloud?
You know what, it's actually really funny. I've been at F5 for a long time, and I think right now we're right at the intersection of cloud, security, and AI, right? And what we're doing is we're really helping our customers. There's probably three main areas we help our customers. One is really the traffic management, getting all of the data into these AI clusters at speed and at scale. And we've got a lot of customers who use our big IP products in front of their storage solutions now. We've actually just announced a partnership with NetApp to help our joint customers do this better and more efficiently. The other area is kind of getting the data across these different inferencing servers, these different AI factories, okay? So obviously we can help our customers load balance it across all of these things, whether they're in AWS or running on-prem. And the other area in that is kind of doing it inside the clusters. We've just announced another partnership with NVIDIA this time, where we're working with NVIDIA to offload the processing of load balancing and access control and multi-tenancy services onto the DPUs in the NVIDIA cluster. So that creates a more efficient process, a more efficient platform for customers to train and use their models.
Everything's going to have its own processor by the time we're on it.
I think so,
It feels kind of like streaming. We've gone from cable to everything is now its own, and then there you go. Now, let's talk about cybersecurity, big topic when it relates to AI. How is F5 helping your customers with cybersecurity?
Yeah, so particularly when it comes to AI, we're really focused on securing the inferencing part of it, where the AI decisions are made. So when someone asks something or when it does something on data, that's what we're securing. If you step back and just think about it for a second, the glue that holds all of this AI ecosystem together, it's not actually the GPUs, it's not actually the silicon, it's APIs, okay? Everything uses an API to talk to everything else, okay? So what we do is we help our customers identify the APIs, secure the APIs, understand what data is going across these APIs. We work to kind of secure them with the OWASP top 10, the OWASP API top 10, and we've just launched a new product called our AI Gateway, where we're building solutions to secure against the OWASP LLM top 10. So another top 10 in security, that's all we need. But it does address some key issues around prompt tampering, model theft, prompt injection, and things like that. So
you've talked a lot about, we've covered cybersecurity, we've covered AI, and the fascinating conversation with Gary Newe of F5. I want to ask you before we go, what is next for F5 in 2025? What are you and I going to be sitting at this very table or one like it next year talking about from F5?
Well, I mean, look, our focus is to continue solving this ball of fire for our customers and to help our customers deploy their applications wherever they need to deploy them. I think if you look back at where we've come from, a lot of the challenges our customers are facing today when it comes to deploying AI applications are very similar to the challenges we solved for their customers, 10, 20 years ago. When we started working with customers, we were building their apps for the app economy. So we need to continue doing that. We're going to focus on kind of scaling out our AI solutions, and obviously deploying and giving our customers the power to have consistent security controls no matter where their applications are deployed. We've got this concept of these anywhere services, so if someone wants to use F5, they can use it on-prem, they can use it in AWS, they can use it in a colo, and the services and everything are the same. And that's really the power, is we're giving our customers consistency, and we're going to continue to do that and solve this ball of fire into 2025.
I love that. That ball of fire continues. We'll check in with you next year. Thank you so much for making the time. I was chatting with Gary Newe. I'm Brian Westbrook with GeekWire Studios, and as always, thanks for watching.